Another feature that people find very, very useful is the idea of making a form a quiz. As we're moving further and further away from paper, this is a really, really simple and effective way for you to do formative or summative assessments for your kids. Get rid of that. And it's very, very simple to set up. You just basically have your form already ready to go with the questions, and then we're going to create the answer key. So all of that's going to occur right here in Settings. And I'm going to choose the Quizzes tab this time. And I'm going to make this a quiz. And then we have a couple options right now. Forget about Chromebooks. We aren't there yet. But you can have it so that the kids get their grade immediately after they submit, or you'll get the responses, then you can decide when you want to give back the grade as it is. So respondents can see if they missed any questions, they can see the correct answers after they're done, they can see point values for questions. Those will all make sense in just a second. But for now, the important thing is we've turned this into a quiz. So I'm going to hit save there. And now I'm going to go into my questions. I'm going to click on here, and you see I have my two options here, hockey or rugby. I'm going to create the answer key. So I'm going to say this one is worth 99 points, and that the obvious answer here is hockey. So there we go. So we've done one question. Already ready to go? And if we just move further, we're okay here. So then, did you enjoy getting rickrolled? Answer that one's probably going to be no. And we'll give you another 11 points for that, getting that one correct. You can also decide to add some feedback depending on how they answered. So if I'm in my question up here, if they answered incorrectly, I could say, well, I could say what I want to say, but I'll just say keep trying. And if they answered correctly, I'd say you got it. Great one. Okay, and then we can save that in there. Depending on the way they answer, that's what they'll see. Finally, what you do is what we did in one of the more recent videos, is you're just going to send this off via email, or you can send the link to your kids. You could post the link on Classroom, any number of ways that you can do that. You just need to be sure that you are still collecting their email addresses, and if it's kids from school, you might as well restrict it so that they're signed into the correct account. So restrict it to LIS users.